Everyone talks about making money with ChatGPT, but let's be real. Most of those methods are boring and saturated. In this video, I'll show you 3 creative ways that nobody's talking about. Each one is something you can start today as a student, and the best part is you can earn between $20 and $50 per order with just a few hours of work. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal how to solve the biggest problem people face with AI projects, the problem of consistency. And if you want my complete set of ready-to-use prompts, there's a free download link in the description. Let's start with one of the most emotional services, AI Pet Memory Books. Pets are not just animals, they're family. And when someone loses a beloved pet, they'll pay almost anything to keep those memories alive. Your job is to take their blurry or old photos, transform them into elegant art, and combine them with touching stories or poems. The final result is a memorial book, something the owner can treasure forever. Why does this work? Emotional value is priceless. There's almost no competition. Most Etsy shops only offer pet portraits, not full books, and buyers are willing to pay more. A full memory book can easily sell for $25 to $40. Here's the process. Ask the customer for a few photos and a short story or memory of their pet. Use ChatGPT to write a poem or narrative. For example, you might say, write a heartfelt poem about a golden retriever named Bella who loved chasing tennis balls. Then upload the pet AS photo into Leonardo AI and choose the Flux One context model for realistic but soft results. Always set the size to 1920 by 1080 or 16 by 9, so each image fits perfectly across 2 book pages. A sample prompt could be, elegant watercolor portrait of Bella the Golden Retriever, warm tones, emotional style, consistent face, 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and here's a secret. After pasting, always click Improve Prompt. Leonardo will polish the wording and deliver cleaner, more consistent images. Next, head to Canva. Place the illustration on the left page and the poem on the right. Add a simple but elegant cover. Something like, In Loving Memory of Bella. Sell each memory book for $25 to $40. Just 10 sales a month is $250 to $400. Some sellers are already making over $30,000 a year with pet art. Now let's move on to something magical. Custom Kids Storybooks. Imagine a child opening a book and discovering they are the hero of the story. Their name, their face, their adventure. Parents love this idea, and they'll happily pay to see that reaction. Why does it work? The emotional impact is huge. There are very few sellers offering this service, yet the shops that do already have tons of reviews. Plus, you can upsell by offering hardcover print-on-demand versions. Here's how you do it. Ask the parent for a photo of the child and their favorite theme, like superhero, princess, or astronaut. Then use ChatGPT to create a story. For example, write a 20-page children AS story about a boy named Matteo who becomes a superhero and saves his city. Include 20 illustration prompts. Take those prompts into Leonardo AI. Use Lucid Origin or Nano Banana, because these models are perfect for bright, cartoon-style characters. Upload the child's photo as a reference image to keep the face consistent throughout the story. Here's a sample prompt. Cartoon illustration of Matteo, a 7-year-old superhero flying over the city, smiling, colorful comic style, consistent face, 16 by 9 aspect ratio. And again, once you paste, click Improve Prompt. This makes the results sharper, more colorful, and consistent. Design the pages in Canva. Place image and text side by side in 16 by 9 spreads. Add playful fonts and maybe speech bubbles. Create a cover that highlights the child's name, like Matteo the Brave Superhero. Parents love seeing their child's name in big letters on the front. These storybooks typically sell for $15 to $30 each. Even with just 20 orders a month, That's $300 to $600. The third method is motivational and fresh. Future self-portraits. Here's the concept. A buyer sends you their current photo and tells you their dream for the future. Maybe they want to be a doctor, an athlete, or a business owner. You create a portrait of them already living that dream. It's both artwork and motivation, something they can hang on their wall and look at every day. Why does this work? Because almost nobody is offering it yet. It connects to people emotionally, and it has viral potential, especially on TikTok and Instagram. Here's how to do it. Ask for their photo, name, and future goal. Use ChatGPT to write a motivational letter. For example, write a letter from Sarah's future self as a doctor, encouraging her younger self in 2025. Then upload their photo into Leonardo AI. Choose Lucid Realism or Flux 1. Context for photorealistic portraits. Always set the aspect ratio to 16:9 so it looks like a framed poster. A prompt could be professional portrait of Sarah as a doctor in 2030. Realistic lighting, confident expression, consistent face. 16:9 aspect ratio. And don't forget to use Improve Prompt. It adds detail and consistency that make the final image look professional. Bring the portrait into Canva and add overlays like Dr. Sarah, class of 2030. Place the motivational letter as a second page. Each portrait sells for $20 to $50. Just 5 orders per week equals over $400 a month. Here's the truth. If your characters aren't consistent, these services fall apart. If Bella looks different on every page, the memory book won't feel right. If Matteo's face changes halfway through, parents won't order again. Consistency is everything. Leonardo AI makes it easy with reference images and the Improve Prompt feature. Flux 1. Context works best for realistic images. Lucid Origin and Nano Banana are great for kids' books. Lucid Realism is perfect for portraits. If you want a more advanced option, Stable Diffusion with Dream Booth is free, but requires setup. There are also tools like PhotoFace Swap to help keep the same face across multiple designs. But if you're just starting out, Leonardo AI is your fastest and simplest choice. And if you want the full library of prompts for all 3 methods, check the free download link in the description. So, how do you actually get buyers? First, TikTok and Instagram Reels. Create short 10 to 15 second videos. Show the before and after. For example, this was Bella's old blurry photo, and this is the memorial book page I made. Or, look at my brother's reaction when he saw himself as a superhero. Keep the videos short, fun, and use trending sounds. Post at least 2 to 3 per day. Second, use communities. Join Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or Discord servers about pets, parenting, or motivation. Don't spam your link. Instead, share your work as inspiration. Interested people will message you directly. Third, link in bio strategy. Use Linktree or beacons. Put all your services in one place so you only need to share one link. Let me tell you a story. Liam, a 19-year-old student, tried the future self-portrait idea. He made a sample of himself as a millionaire entrepreneur and posted it on TikTok. The caption was simple. "This is me in 2035. What about you?" That video reached 50,000 views. The comments exploded. People kept asking, "Can you make one for me?" Liam created a Fiverr gig and priced each portrait at $30. He got 3 orders the first week. By the end of the month, he was making more money than his part-time job. All using ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and Canva. That's the power of creative side hustles. So let's recap. Number 1, AI Pet Memory Books. Number 2, Custom Kids Storybooks. Number 3, Future Self-Portraits. Each method taps into emotion and personalization, and that's why people are willing to pay. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 would you try first? And if you've already tried making money online, what was your experience? Share it in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to start today. And remember, the full prompt pack is free to download in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.